Hey, what's going on? Excited here. So in this video, I want to share with you how you can add new content to Meetedgar to its content library. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to click on Add New Content, right? Then you want to choose on which social media platform you want to upload or you want to post those content on, right? So you have to keep in mind, if you want to post on videos, you cannot choose Pinterest or LinkedIn, right? Because these two platforms won't allow you to post a video, right? But if you want to post maybe image or articles, then you can choose all of them, right? So right now you want to choose on which social media platform you want to post the content on. Then you want to choose the category, right? So for example, maybe we want long post, right? Then you can upload your image and then you can write something here, right? So for example, we want to upload the image here. So we can go to Canva and we can create the post here, right? So for example, we can download this one. Then you can upload the image here, right? So you choose the image. Then you can write something here. Then you can add some hashtag here. Right. Then you can also choose some advanced setting, right? So you can choose if this one should be used once. So then you can basically save to library. So that's how you upload new content to Meetedgar. So I hope you enjoyed that.